Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the rope game. First, familiarize yourself with the game's objective, which is typically to navigate your character from a starting point to an end goal using a series of ropes. Next, learn the fundamental controls for attaching your rope to designated anchor points and detaching it at the right moment. Pay close attention to the environment, noting any obstacles or helpful elements. This initial understanding is crucial for a smooth start. Once you grasp the basics, focus on mastering the game's physics. Practice swinging to build momentum, allowing you to cover greater distances and reach higher platforms. Effectively utilize gravity and the natural pendulum motion of your character to propel yourself forward. Experiment with adjusting your rope's length. A shorter rope provides quicker swings, while a longer one offers a wider arc, both essential for precise movements and controlled landings. To elevate your gameplay, begin practicing advanced maneuvers. Learn to execute quick rope changes, seamlessly transitioning between anchor points to maintain your speed and navigate complex obstacle courses. Master the art of wall jumping, often combining it with a well-timed rope swing to reach otherwise inaccessible areas. Always be on the lookout for hidden shortcuts and optimal paths. These can significantly reduce your completion time and enhance your overall score. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming a true rope game master. Begin with the beginner levels to solidify your foundational skills and build confidence. Gradually challenge yourself with increasingly difficult courses and more complex obstacles, pushing your abilities further. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and strategies. Discovering your unique playstyle will make the game more enjoyable and rewarding in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.